Okay, so what do we have over here? This is gonna be what is gonna transform your pool. Doesn't matter which pool it is, in ground, above ground, it's okay. But this is gonna transform your pool into just being a pool, into being a party pool, a powerhouse of a pool, just like having fun with the kids, with the family, even if you want for training purposes. Hey, how's it going? Alex here. Today we're gonna talk about this iGarden pool jet and wave device that this brand sent to me for this video. We're gonna go in like the installation, which is gonna be probably 2 minutes because this thing is fully portable. As you saw me before, I was just coming in with wheels, and this is what it's gonna be, what is gonna power the whole unit. This is like a power station where you're gonna actually plug this and make it to be the wave machine, the tornado machine, the twister machine. Everything's gonna happen with just this device, which I gotta say, it is really easy to use. Let's check it out. First thing I want to show you before we jump into a few of the specs is that this is gonna go inverted. Okay, this is gonna be this is gonna come pointing on the other way. So the only thing you will have to do is just release these knobs on the side and put it this way. So with this kind of like silicone pads, you will be able to just put it just like this and make it to rest on the side of the pool. It's adjustable, of course, and with its own weight in the silicone, it won't damage anything on your pool. Okay. So this is going to be the power station. It is waterproof, but if you actually can put it under a ceiling, under a roof, under like a hood or something like that is better. And you can put it in the sun if you want, but for the case of this or the purposes of this case, I'm going to put it right here on the shade. It comes with an app. So with the app, you could just download it and operate everything from the app. But the bottom line is that in between the different versions, you can get 790 to 1100 GPM from 2.5 hours to 10 hours max of time, and from 5 to 6 different speeds. It's good for any pool. And if you want to operate it from the machine, you can. You're going to have right here your on and off, your timer, and your intensity. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the device. That's going to be actually the power station. Once that we turn on the power station, it's going to do like a little bit of a checkup, and then we can start the waves with the different intensities, okay? So remember that. And we have the different ones, okay? So we're going to start from the basics. And that's going to be kind of like a surfing one. And then you can just like ramp it up a little bit. You can see how much it changes. And then you can have one more, and that's going to move the entire pool, which I think is going to be phenomenal. If you want to go a little bit more, you got it. And then this is when things get really, really serious. I'm telling you, this thing is just phenomenal. It can be for fun, can be for training purposes, can be for just like being with the family and just having so much fun. Whatever the time is, you can have fun every single time. So we're gonna start from the basics. You can do a lot of things. You can train, you can just swim, you can just have fun. But this is one of the things that I wanted to try. So from this one, we're gonna ramp it up to the second one. So now we go to the second one. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Okay, we go to the third one. Okay, this is, and the fourth one. One more, come on, one more. I think I can do it. I can. It's like going on a rape. Oh my God. Okay, one more. Do we have one more? No. Okay, we go to the first one. Oh my God, I was not expecting such a brute force. Okay, can we do it one more time on the last one? Just straight to the last one. Okay. Let's see how this one goes, okay? Now I'm going all the way to the other side and see how this one pushed me. What? It pushed me right away. Oh my God. This is just... This is phenomenal. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun this summer. I gotta tell you, I'm 100% impressed. This thing keeps pushing me. This thing is phenomenal. Whether if it is for fun, whether if it is for training purposes, for whatever you want, this is gonna be our next thing this summer season. I love it. I totally recommend it.